Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2023 Chevy Blazer that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Blazer has to offer. So this Blazer does offer all-wheel drive capabilities, so you get great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped back there. Quick look at the cargo space in the back, so you can see plenty of room back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. You also do have your spare tire just tucked in underneath there, and again just a few more little storage compartments in through there. So taking a peek inside, so you can get up to 5 passengers in the unit. You can see in the back seat there plenty of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably, even if you were to have 3 passengers back there. Seats themselves are a cloth seat. Back seat as well, you do have some USB port hookups. Hopping up front, so you do have your touchscreen display here, so a lot of great features packed in here. Of course, access to all of your system and settings and such in through there. Access to all of your media controls, Bluetooth capabilities, as well as your climate controls in through there. Just below that, you do have access to, again, climate control options, as well as your heated seats, USB port hookups, a little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob right here, remote start is included. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your Bluetooth capabilities just in on that right hand side, your cruise control options in on the left hand side, audio media controls in behind the steering wheel, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Blazer does have 77,628 kilometers currently on it. But that's just a quick peek at this 2023 Chevy Blazer that we have here on the lot. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.